साथियों, आज एक उदाहरण के माध्यम से अकाउंटिंग इक्वेशन की अवधारणा को समझते हैं। निम्नलिखित लेन देन के आधार पर अकाउंटिंग इक्वेशन लेखांकन समीकरण तैयार कीजिए। 70,000 रुपये नकद पूंजी लगाकर व्यवसाय प्रारंभ किया। 18,000 रुपये का माल उधार खरीदा। लेनदारों को पूर्ण भुगतान सेटलमेंट 17,500 रुपये किया। 20,000 रुपये में नकद मशीनरी खरीदी। Started business with cash 70,000 rupees. Question: what comes into the business? Cash comes into the business. Cash, asset, increases by 70,000 rupees. Since the owner has invested this amount, capital also increases by 70,000 rupees. Accounting equation: assets equals liabilities plus capital. 70,000 rupees equals 0 rupees plus 70,000 rupees. Purchased goods on credit 18,000 rupees. What is the effect of purchasing goods on credit? Inventory asset increases by 18,000 rupees. Since payment has not yet been made, creditors liability increase by 18,000 rupees. Accounting equation: assets equals cash 70,000 rupees plus inventory 18,000 rupees equals 88,000 rupees. Liabilities equals creditors 18,000 rupees. Capital equals 70,000 rupees. 88,000 rupees equals 18,000 rupees plus 70,000 rupees. Payment made to creditors in full settlement 17,500 rupees. Why is only 17,500 rupees paid when the amount due was 18,000 rupees? The business received a discount of 500 rupees from the creditor. Now let's see the effect. Cash, asset, decreases by 17,500 rupees. Creditors, liability, decrease by 18,000 rupees. The 500 rupees discount received is a gain for the business, so capital increases by 500 rupees. Accounting equation: cash equals 70,000 rupees minus 17,000. 500 rupees equals 52,500 rupees. Inventory equals 18,000 rupees. Total assets equals 70,500 rupees. Liabilities equals nil. Capital equals 70,000 rupees plus 500 rupees equals 70,500 rupees. 70,500 rupees equals 0 rupees plus 70,500 rupees. Purchased machinery for cash 20,000 rupees. What happens when machinery is purchased for cash? One asset decreases and another asset increases. Cash decreases by 20,000 rupees. Machinery asset increases by 20,000 rupees. There is no change in total assets, liabilities, or capital. Cash equals 52,500 rupees minus 20,000 rupees equals 32,500 rupees. Machinery equals 20,000 rupees. Inventory equals 18,000 rupees. Total assets equals 70,500 rupees. Liabilities equals nil. Capital equals 70,500 rupees. Accounting equation: 70,500 rupees equals 0 rupees plus 70,500 rupees. Owner's investment increases assets and capital. Credit purchases increase assets and liabilities. Payment to creditors reduces cash and liabilities. Any discount received increases capital. Purchase of machinery for cash changes the composition of assets, but not the total assets. Every business transaction affects at least two accounts, but the accounting equation always remains balanced. Thanks for watching.